What's something people don't know about brain boosters like MemoCore? Not all miracle drops are created equal, and the science is often murkier than the marketing. Let's break it down. MemoCore, also called MemoCore drops, is getting a lot of buzz as a liquid nootropic for memory, focus, and mental clarity. The pitch? Herbal extracts, vitamins, and a promise of faster absorption. On the label, you'll spot heavy hitters like ginkgo biloba, bacopa monnieri, L-theanine, rhodiola rosea, and B vitamins. These all have some research behind them, but nothing close to a magic bullet. Here's the thing. MemoCore isn't a scam, but don't expect instant genius. While some ingredients may help with mild memory or focus issues, the real science is still developing. And if you're already healthy, the boost might be underwhelming. Bottom line, don't buy into hype without digging into the facts. Always check with your doctor and do your own research before you drop cash on any brain booster.